Hi everyone! We have decided to share how we created this art piece using epoxy resin. To create the face, we used paper mache and dry compound. Let it dry for a couple days. To make the water look more realistic, we added a few drops of blue alcohol ink to the resin. Now you can carefully pour mixed resin inside the sealed mold right on the painting. To remove bubbles from the surface, we use torch. To seal the face and add water effects, we used UV resin so it can dry faster. Now let it dry and cure for 1 to 3 days, depends on your resin. Once the resin is fully cured, you can clean up edges using rotary tool or sander. To make the surface look glossy and clear, we sanded it from 60 to 7000 grit using orbital sander. We always made sure it's clean by washing it thoroughly after sanding to remove all the dust from sanding. Now you can polish it. When the painting is clean and polished, we applied water effects. We used clear Mod Podge for that. We also make our own wooden frames. We've decided to cover the backside with green velvet fabric to add special luxury feel to it. We always make our own signature wax seal stamps and attach it to every project. We always carefully wrap our art in linen fabrics for the special feel. We also add our stamp. Final result of our art project that we called Out Of. Thank you for watching. We always appreciate your time. Yasser Qadri and Kirill Romanov.